going to we're going to massage home service or hotel service, I should say. We're going to massage those foreigners that can. I don't think so. My English is in danger. My English is in danger. I'm speaking, tita. Yeah, it's a condolence. My speaking English is in danger zone again because our client is English again. They are Turkish. All I know about Turkish words is only aşkım. Aşkım. You know what's mean aşkım? My love. My love. Say hi, Isa. Ay, mama sa si Isa is my God. Wala. The bigger one. The tsunami one. Ang laki ng ibapasage niya, Pakshe. Yan. Nagpapabango siya, nagre-ready siya. Ang hindi na kailangan kasi, wala. Mayayari din naman mamay yung English ko, kaya wag ka na. Ano ba sabihin yan? What is your pressure? 20 over 80. Okay guys, I will come back later. I will show you the world. I will show you the mountain. I'll show you later. Okay guys, paalis na kami. Pupunta na kami sa Rica. Okay guys, let's go guys. Okay guys, alis na kami guys. Vlog tayo eh. Bilisan mo best. Text ako na ito yung kusinito. Cut naman ba? Okay guys, binuksan natin ito. Ay, pintuan kita na. We're going to the road of Canada na. Guys, we're going to massage now down the aşkım. The aşkım.
yan.
We're having a vlog, sir. Say hi to our vlog. Say hi to our vlog. Where is other guy?
Hey, in the room.
Ah, you see?
Yeah.
He's busy. I know. He's not here. Where did he go? Sir. How are you, sir?
I'm good, how are you?
Say hi to our vlog, sir. Hi, in the Philippines. In the Philippines. Say hi in the
Hello,
Philippines.
Philippines. Kumusta?
Kamusta?
Magandang babae.
Are you, what's the name?
Is it live?
No, sir. It's a vlog. Yeah. Reels. For reels. Yes. Okay.
I have to tell hello.
Hello, sir. Say hi to our vlog.
5 minutes, I have to give a call, yes?
Okay, sir. Take your time. Okay, bye. Just don't take me eye. How many?
I don't like boys.
How many wives you have?
Why?
Yeah. Are you hiring? I'm asking, sir, if you have wife.
If I have wife?
Yes.
Why you want to know?
I just want to know because I want to apply. I'm just kidding.
Don't worry. No, I have a wife.
No, you have a wife. You have a children. How many? How many pangalan?
One,
Only?
It's enough. One is enough.
One is enough? No, the more the merrier.
Maybe I make one million, I don't know. Oh, make like cos'è per il cazzo. Grazie.
Oh, carinosa, arcerola, posporo. Almoradas de. Yan din. Uy, we're going to start na. What time is it na? It's techno machine.
5. You can prepare. I think you will get the coffee soon. In a minute.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
So, you drink. Drink time.
Yeah? Okay.
Oh my
You
God.
want us to be
Because after the massage, sir, no drink. It's liquor. Yeah, it's
more rain after massage.
avoid.
Yes, after the
Yes.
Grazie, sarà casa, sì? Come la settimana prossima.
Sí, Semana Santa. Okay, let's go. Sí. Despacito.